Okay, so here's a quick rundown on the upgrades that these two have for the comparison videos. The Jimny, we'll start with it. It has probably the fewest upgrades. One of the things that you can't really see very well, it has a 7-tooth pinion in it. So this is the spacer that allows you to put 7 tooth pinions in it. There's also another spacer that does 8 and 9. So it's running that. There's also a set of suspension blocks underneath. It just raises, I think it's like about 2.5 millimeters. It just raises the chassis up. I did that just to give a little bit more clearance for some rub that I was seeing between the tires and the body. And of course, it's got the hex adapters in here that allow you to run these SCX 24 wheels and tires. These are the axial C10 wheels and C10 tires, are the ones that come on the C10 trucks. I'm not sure exact model number, but I think I've listed them before in one of my other videos. So, and of course, it's got the body lift. So, in order to make clearance for the bigger tires, the bumpers are raised, and then the body has the adapters, so that lets it set up high enough in order to clear the larger tires. So that's really the main upgrades that are on the Jimny. I think for it the biggest difference is the clearance from the tires. The Toyota has probably a few more upgrades and different things on it. The green stuff, if you've watched my other video about adding these HT or hot racing shocks, then that's what all the green is. I did that just so that you could see what the parts are. So it's obviously got the hot racing shocks for the SCX 24. The springs, I actually switched out to the softest springs that come with it, and that actually it works pretty good because it actually gives it extra flex. So that's why. And then it's got tiniest little bit of 2,000 weight diff oil in it. I may actually try 3,000 or 5,000 here at some point later, but this is the 8-tooth, the 8-tooth pinion that's in the Toyota. I sort of like the 8-tooth with it. These tires are a little bit smaller, ever so slightly, but I just like running the lower pinions when I've got the bigger tires on it. Let's see, what else does it have? The tires and wheels. The wheels are actually some prototypes that I'm working on. They are about 1.1 in size as far as the diameter goes. And these are the RC four-wheel drive Rock Locks tires. They're not glued on, but these 1.1 wheels, they hold that tire pretty good. The tire really feels like it's made for a 1.1 and not a 1.0 because it doesn't fit on the axial wheels all that well. So, and these wheels are direct mount, so you probably see it's actually a little narrower stance than the ones with the hex adapters. So, other than that, I think that's it for the upgrades on this one. So really, I guess the biggest test for these things probably going to be the tires, which gives them more clearance underneath. This one here, it's got little softer, smoother feel because of those hot racing shocks, and then both of them have they're geared down, but I guess if you take in consideration the original tires and these, then the gearing's probably close about the same. So other than that, the bodies I haven't really done anything to. I do have the lights here, but they're not plugged up, and the snorkel I'm not taking off whenever I revert back. So anyways, that's a quick rundown on the upgrades.